Hello guys, welcome back to the workshop. It was a pleasure to meet you. Okay. Until this step, we have completed 80% of the map. Tonight, we will try to finish the 20% remains. And, the 20% remains, are for submenus. Now, it's time for submenu to take action. Okay guys. Let's get started. Alright, here, as you see, menu number 4 is used to enter setting hours. But, to edit hours directly, we need to draw the submenu below. So, at the bottom corner of menu number 4, we draw a submenu. There is submenu 4A. And fill the submenu 4A with. Okay. Here, we will edit hours. To make more clear, please notice that every submenu always source from the corner sides of the other menu. And also, every submenu not only number, but always follows by letter behind. Such submenu 4A, 5A, and 6A. Okay. Next. Menu number 5 is used to enter setting minutes. To edit minutes directly, we do the same thing. At the bottom corner of menu number 5, we draw a submenu again. There is submenu 5A. And fill the submenu 5A with. Okay, the last one. At the bottom corner of menu number 6, we draw the last submenu. Submenu 6A. And fill the submenu 6A with. Okay. This last one is used for exit setting and go back to normal mode to the green frames menu over there. Alright guys, it's time to test. In this last step, we choose to test them from the beginning, included these 3 submenus. Okay guys, let's see all the results. Thanks God, we have done it. Okay, as you see here, submenu 4A is used for edit hours. Submenu 5A is used for edit minutes. And submenu 6A is used for confirm exit and go back to the normal mode. So, for our electronic clock here, we have drawn 10 menus in total. 3 menus for normal mode. There are the menus with green frames. And 7 menus for setting mode. There are the menus with red frames. And this is the circuit. Okay guys, we have finished 100% of the menu map, and we have succeeded. Congratulations! Alright, for the next device, we plan to build a new clock. A new clock that has the alarm function inside. When the clock is equal to alarm, the clock will turn on something, such turn on lamp, bell, siren or relay. And also, we will not to draw the map from the beginning, because we just need to modify this menu map into a better one. Okay guys, congratulations! Finally, we have completed the menu map. Thanks for coming. Please respond if you like. Have a nice day.